Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video of very special for happy Independence Day of United States of America. Are you ready to infuse your home with patriotic spirit and celebrate the USA Independence Day in style? In this video, we will explore creative and inspiring ideas for decorating your home to honor this special occasion. Let's start with the centerpiece. Create a stunning focal point on your dining table or mantel with a patriotic themed centerpiece. Incorporate elements such as miniature American flags, red, white, and blue flowers, and decorative items like stars or banners. This centerpiece will set the tone for your festive home decor. Add a touch of patriotism to your living room with patriotic themed throw pillows. Look for pillows featuring stars, stripes, or the American flag. Arrange them on your sofas or chairs to instantly elevate the patriotic ambience of your space. Don't forget to decorate your front porch to welcome guests with a burst of patriotic pride. Hang patriotic bunting along the railing or around the doorframe. Add a festive wreath adorned with stars and ribbons. These simple additions will create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Set the table for a memorable Independence Day gathering with the patriotic table setting. Use red, white, and blue tablecloths or placemats as a base. Incorporate patriotic themed dinnerware, napkins, and glassware. Don't forget to include small American flag toothpicks for appetizers or desserts. This attention to detail will impress your guests. Extend your patriotic decor to your outdoor space. Hang patriotic themed string lights along your patio or pergola to create a festive and enchanting atmosphere. These lights will illuminate your backyard and add a touch of magic to your Independence Day celebrations. Showcase your love for the USA with patriotic artwork. Hang framed prints or paintings depicting iconic American symbols like the American flag, Statue of Liberty, or bald eagle. These pieces will add a sense of pride and history to your home decor. With these inspiring ideas, you can transform your home into a patriotic heaven in honor of USA Independence Day. From centerpieces and throw pillows to bunting and string lights, each decoration adds a touch of festive spirit. How will you decorate your home for Independence Day? Let us know in the comments below.